Last Thanksgiving, my old freestanding range died right when the turkey went in. Replacing it became a nightmare of mismatched cutouts and confusing smart features. Finding a reliable slide-in electric range that actually fits your kitchen and cooking style without needing a computer science degree is incredibly frustrating. After testing dozens of models in our test kitchen, I found the best Whirlpool slide-in electric ranges on the market. But the number one pick has a hidden feature that completely changed how I cook. Let's dive in. 5. Whirlpool WE750H0HB. When I first got this 6.4 cubic foot smart slide-in range into the test kitchen, I was genuinely excited about its massive capacity. It's designed for those who routinely host large family gatherings or prep multiple dishes simultaneously. The sleek black finish gives it a premium, modern aesthetic that instantly upgrades the look of standard kitchen cabinets. During my initial test baking multiple sheets of cookies, the true convection with a third heating element really stood out, circulating hot air evenly across all 3 racks. One of the main selling points here is the smart connectivity, but in practice, this was where my excitement started to wane. You have to connect it to the Whirlpool app to unlock certain features, like the air fry mode. I found the setup process to be clunky and prone to dropping the Wi-Fi signal. It felt incredibly frustrating to have a physical appliance in front of me, yet have to reach for my phone and deal with app connectivity issues just to make some crispy French fries for lunch. When it worked, the air fry feature was decent, but locking basic cooking modes behind a digital wall is a significant drawback for everyday usability. On the cooktop side, you get a flex heat dual radiant element, which I tested with everything from large stock pots to tiny saucepans. It gives you the flexibility to match the burner size to your cookware, which is theoretically great for energy efficiency. However, I noticed that the glass ceramic surface is unusually prone to scratching and smudging. Even with careful use of standard stainless steel pans, I was constantly buffing out marks. For Whirlpool WFES5030RW. When we installed this model, its clean white finish offered a refreshing, classic look that brightened up the kitchen space. It boasts an air cooking technology suite that includes no preheat air fry and air baking. I immediately put this to the test with a massive batch of frozen chicken wings. Bypassing the preheat phase entirely is a huge time saver on busy weeknights, and the wings came out surprisingly crispy on the outside while remaining juicy inside. The oven also features a traditional self-cleaning mode, which I put through its paces after a messy lasagna spill. It works well enough, though it does get the kitchen extremely hot and produces a noticeable burning smell, which is fairly standard but still unpleasant. What I appreciated more was the flexible cooktop. The dual radiant elements heat up quickly, and the warm zone in the center is perfect for keeping a delicate gravy at serving temperature while you finish up the rest of your meal. It handles the basics of a Sunday dinner with reliable consistency. Despite these solid cooking features, my time testing the WFES5030RW revealed some noticeable flaws that hold it back from a higher ranking. The build quality feels noticeably lighter and less robust compared to higher-end models in Whirlpool's lineup. The storage drawer at the bottom, for instance, feels flimsy and tends to come off its tracks if you load it with heavier cast iron skillets. Furthermore, while the no preheat air fry is convenient, I found that traditional baking tasks, like roasting a dense root vegetable medley or baking a delicate sponge cake, resulted in uneven browning. I had to rotate my pans halfway through cooking, which defeats the purpose of a hands-off baking experience. 3. Whirlpool WFES5030RS. During my hands-on testing, this 30-inch electric range really impressed me with its straightforward, no-nonsense approach to cooking. Sometimes, you just want an appliance that does its job exceptionally well without forcing you to navigate complex menus. The stainless steel finish is beautiful and, more importantly, it proved to be remarkably resistant to fingerprints during my heavy testing phases. The overall aesthetic is sleek and modern, sliding perfectly into our standard cabinet cutout with a beautifully flush, built-in look. The standout feature of this model is the no preheat mode for everyday baking. I tested this extensively with standard frozen pizzas, casseroles, and basic baked goods. The oven compensates for the lack of a preheat phase by adjusting the initial heating cycle, and I was genuinely surprised by how effectively it worked. I threw in a frozen pizza directly after turning the oven on, and it cooked perfectly evenly, saving me a solid 15 minutes of waiting around. The 5.3 cubic foot capacity is generous enough for standard daily use, easily accommodating a large Dutch oven and a baking sheet at the same time. Moving up to the cooktop, the ceramic glass surface on this unit feels much more durable and easier to maintain than lower-tier models. The dual radiant element is incredibly responsive, allowing me to switch from a rolling boil for pasta water down to a gentle simmer for marinara sauce in just seconds. Another major positive is the steam clean option. Instead of the harsh, high-heat traditional self-cleaning cycle that smokes out the whole house, I poured a little water into the bottom of the oven and ran the steam cycle. 2. Whirlpool WSIS5030RZ. This isn't just an electric range, it's a 30-inch induction range, and testing this unit completely revitalized my love for stovetop cooking. If you haven't cooked with induction before, this model will blow your mind. The electromagnetic technology heats the cookware directly rather than the glass surface. When I set a pot of water on the induction element, it achieved a rolling boil in a fraction of the time it takes on a traditional radiant electric or even gas stove. The precision and speed are simply unmatched. Because the cooktop itself doesn't generate the heat, the glass surface stays remarkably cool to the touch, just inches away from a boiling pot. This was a revelation during testing, not just for safety around curious kids, but for cleaning. Spills literally cannot bake onto the surface. I deliberately let a pot of sugary oatmeal boil over, and instead of scrubbing charred carbon for 20 minutes, I just wiped it away with a damp cloth once I moved the pan. The front controls are also angled beautifully, making them easy to read and operate without reaching over hot pots. The oven matches the cooktop's high performance with its no preheat air fry feature. I loaded up the included air fry basket with breaded shrimp and sweet potato fries, and the results were spectacular. The powerful convection fan circulates the hot air so efficiently that everything achieved a deep-fried level of crunch using practically zero oil. The oven temperature remains incredibly stable, ensuring that delicate pastries bake evenly from edge to center. It also features a sleek, hidden bake element that makes wiping down the bottom of the oven interior an absolute breeze. 1. Whirlpool WSES7530RV. This 30-inch smart slide-in electric range is nothing short of a masterpiece in appliance engineering. From the moment we powered it up in the test kitchen, it outperformed every other model in consistency, speed, and convenience. Remember that hidden feature I mentioned earlier? It's Whirlpool's proprietary Wipe Clean coating on the cooktop. While testing, I noticed this specialized surface aggressively resists water and oil stains. When I intentionally burned cheese and syrup onto the glass, it didn't just resist scratching. The mess peeled off with a soft cloth like magic. It completely eliminates the dreaded cooktop scrubbing routine. Beyond the miraculous cooktop surface, the oven boasts a comprehensive air cooking technology suite. It goes far beyond standard air frying. I utilized the no preheat air fry for crispy Brussels sprouts, but it was the high-speed preheat function for traditional baking that truly amazed me. When I needed to bake a 3-tier birthday cake, the oven reached 350 degrees, significantly faster than any other model on this list, thanks to the concerted effort of all the heating elements and the convection fan working simultaneously. The heat distribution is flawless, resulting in cakes that rise perfectly level every single time. Unlike the frustrating app experience of lower-tier models, the smart connectivity on the WSES7530RV is seamless and genuinely enhances the cooking experience. I found myself frequently using voice commands through my smart home assistant to preheat the oven while my hands were covered in flour. The app alerts you the moment your food is perfectly cooked, preventing over-baking when you've stepped away from the kitchen. It also features a steam self-clean option that operates at a much lower temperature, quickly lifting interior grime without generating heat or odors, keeping the kitchen comfortable. Ultra. That's all for today.